Guess who got a mic? I got a mic. Yeah, you guys are about to be sick of me. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess who got a mic? I got a mic. Yeah, you guys are about to be sick of me, okay? If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time to see my face, I am so hyped because of this mic. I don't know, because I just feel like it's kind of a good sound going on from here, so and I'm excited about that. And guys, it's Saturday. I'm going to market as per usual. I think at this point I go to market like every Saturday. So I need to buy things to make soup and stew, white soup again, don't come for me, and groundnut soup. And I need to make stew as well, and I also need to get some essentials for myself and for the house. Basically, I am planning on changing my cream. If you know, I've been using fair and white for a better part of almost 3 years now, if I'm not mistaken. And it keeps increasing. And at this point, it's 10K, guys, like 10,000. It's not like I can't afford it, but I don't want to afford it because I'm trying to be more money cautious this year. So $10,000, it's a lot for a cream. I'm sorry, it might not be a lot for you, but for me, it's a lot. So we're gonna turn it down. So if you know, you should know by now. I use body St. Ives body wash, so I'm thinking of getting the cream, so it just matches. I will keep you guys a look too, so you guys will see if my skin is changing or other things basically. So yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I know think I've said that. Thank you so much for coming back. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if this is your first time of seeing my face. Hi, my name is Miranda Mopude. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I create content, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs. I don't know why I'm so hyped today, guys. Maybe it's the mic. I don't know. Oh, I'm just trying to be in a very high spirit because it's Nigeria. It's oh no, like spoil. Because I don't understand why you want to give us somebody we don't want. You're forcing the person on us. You want to rape us? Like we're gonna sing cut. That's what I'm gonna say. We're gonna sing cut. But anyway, that aside, today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is my baby girl's birthday. Yeah! Kayla is turning out well, and I'm so happy. That girl is literally the most precious thing. My nieces and nephews are like everything to me. If you know me, they make my spirit go high. So I'm so happy whenever it's any of them's birthday, and this particular one is literally like my madam. So her birthday is tomorrow. I might be going to the park, or I might go to the house, but I feel like I want something to be done. So it all depends on the mom though, but we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, I'm so tired. I don't even have energy to bring out that mic, so please take this one. I just got back and it's like past 1, guys. Today's market was not even funny. The last time I went to market, I was even able to withdraw, but I could not. Like, as much as they are saying old money is back into circulation, blah 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 blah, there's still no money. I could not withdraw. I had to, the guy that I buy stuff from, I had to beg him to like give me 1K so I can buy like little things like bitter leaf, uziza leaf, all those small things that you 100 naira you can't even transfer. I had to like beg him for 1K, and I paid for the 1K, by the way, obviously. Like, it's crazy. I'm so tired. I just want there to be money. I just want that easy access to money. Honestly speaking, I like transfer. And you are putting your charges. That's my annoyance. You're making transfer for these people. You're putting 200 naira charges as per 100 naira for the POS guy, 100 naira for the guy that owns the money in case he wants to collect his money later. Like, why? I did not even try to tell anybody today. As you were telling me put charges, I was like, I'm not putting 200 for nobody. I'm paying 100 naira, I'm paying 100 naira. That's the least I can do for anybody at this point. It was so annoying. To make everything worse, guys, the debited me. GT Bank is hanging right now because I don't have time to go to bank. Honestly speaking, I don't have time to go to bank because I hate bank and their rubbish wahala. So going to bank now to go and draw 6,600, it's annoying the head out of me. But I will have to because I need my money back. Like, I'm not even joking. I need my money back. don't like her here. She's not high. Happy birthday, my princess. Kiss, 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 kiss. The way this girl walks when she's upset is on another level. See her legs.
This is not funny. Oh my god. Anyway, I love your makeup, but this is not funny. I like your hair. You made your makeup.
Yes, I did. I'm disappointed. Oh, look at my own hair. Hello. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
What Kayla did, right? What mommy said that it was so called smart. I was like, it was not smart.
It was. No, it was.
I'm not going to admit
She did not book for masters. Doesn't mean she cannot go out for birthday.
I didn't. I'm not going to stand by whatever everybody says. My own side is what I believe in.
Yo, what we said?
My side is that what she did was not smart.
What's your
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you the birthday
It's
girl?
my birthday. I'm going to pepper you guys like there's no tomorrow.
It's me that look for trouble. Now, show me that told you I bought you wristwatch. It's my bag.
See, right? This whole birthday thing, right, is not going to work.
You're just a hater.
We must.
Haters are
I'm going to actually do one video of myself, and you must post it on your YouTube channel on my birthday.
Okay. No problem.
Good.
As fast as you. I will post it. Anyway, you want me to post it, I'll post it.
Exactly. Good.
If you want me to post it on Facebook, I'll post it.
No, not Facebook. I want it to be on Instagram and on your YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
People should wish.
Where did you guys park?
birthday.
Your sister said it's your mother jackpot you people from the motor.
Yeah.
Come this way.
She jackpot. So, hi guys. My dress was inspired by unknown. You know.
By who?
Unknown. I'm
By
not
who?
going to say her name.
He said you're not okay. Finish
Okay,
that
it's by
sentence.
Auntie Sarah. Okay.
Don't.
So you can see the tartar.
What, Kayla? I will give you the wristwatch when we enter the car.
I have my own birthday because I'm yellow.
They are saying birthday cloth for you when you're not going anywhere. What's the point?
Look at how my forehead is shining. Oh my god.
I made this.
I didn't put it well.
Tiger nuts, coconut, dates, ginger. You like it?
It's sweet.
I know, do you like it?
You like it? It has a texture killing.
Oh, our baby cake is here.
Let me back up first.
It's so cute. It's so cute.
Move my
Ooh, I like this design. Kiki, your favorite color. I just took one out. I'm sorry. It's so nice. Happy birthday to Kayla. Happy birthday to her. See what cute cake. Kiki, do you like a cake?
Yes.
Are you
Yes.
Person wants to cut a picture.
Is it actual? That would be me. That would be me. I apologize. Are you forgiving me? You look pretty. Yes, I bought you a gift.
Yes.
Yes.
We have
Bring my bag. Bring my bag. Bring that my bag. Give me a touch. Leave the girl. Look. Yes, I'm stuck. Mom, are you crazy? Come here. Come and stand there. She'll bring it for you.
Oh my gosh, this is going to an iWatch.
Not really iWatch.
Oh, you don't go to a smartwatch. I think
Give it to her now.
I say no. It's not a smartwatch, the digital.
you're only a hater.
I'm just stating facts. Stating facts.
Why would you
being
just
a hater
come out
is
and say it?
different. Does it look like an Apple Watch?
Yes,
That's the time. Time is 1:19.
Not really, but it's fine.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Can I just say thank you?
Hater. Finally, the gift has been delivered.
You guys.
It's not an apple.
Yay! Finally, you have digital watch. Mama, you did it upside down. What kind of life is that?
Happy birthday, Small.
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, guys, hi. I'm a Chelsea fan, for those of you that don't know. Yeah, I'm a Chelsea fan. So, guys, I want to do my first unboxing. Yeah. I got I don't know, I'm so excited about this one because it's like going to be like my first unboxing on my channel. And it's sneakers. And sneakers has a way to my heart. So, this is my late Valentine's gift actually. But I still got it. I don't have time since to go and get it because of work, but yo, this was like the second or the third shoe I tried, and I was sold. Like, there was really no point going further and looking for another one. Like, I really, I wanted a black stickers because I have white, I have blue, so I didn't like a black one. And I'm really in love with this one. Like, I'm actually I like. This is my Valentine's present, and I like it. Thank you, thank you. Anyways, I just wanted to show it properly because I know the other video didn't exactly do justice to it. So I just wanted to show it properly here before I zoom off. So this video has basically just been from my baby's birthday one weekend to now another weekend. It's just been a lot actually. But yeah, it's Sunday again, and I'm going to work today, and I'm going to work tomorrow, like Monday as usual. But I just wanted to end this vlog here so I can put it up this week because it's like 2 weeks now, and I haven't uploaded any video. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for always watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.